Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Boxycharm premium box for November 2020. I'm really excited to get into this box, so if you guys are enjoying these types of videos from me, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Really quick, if you guys were wondering why my eyes are two different colors, that's because I just reviewed the Kylie Cosmetics Holiday Breakaway eyeshadow palette from Ulta Beauty. Exclusive palettes, very, very beautiful. Absolutely love them. So I will have the looks linked below. I did several. If you guys are interested, I'm not sure when the video will go up, but when it's up, I'll have it linked below. Anyways, I want to say really quickly, I have to apologize about my last Boxycharm video because I watched it back and I was just like, wait a minute, why am I being so crabby? Like, I was thinking, oh, maybe it's because I haven't had my coffee, but I honestly wasn't feeling good at all last week. I was so dizzy. You guys know I haven't even filmed. That was the one day I filmed last week. And so I'm like, I rewatched my video because people were like, yeah, I think you're just being a little crabby. You need some coffee, you know? So I watched it back and I'm like, why am I so like upset about this box? Like, it's not even that bad. So I just want to apologize. I don't know like why I was just like so like not into the box. Like, the box was good, so I think I was just really in a mood when I filmed that day because I just wasn't having a good day. Anyways, let's get into my premium box. Now, I've already opened it. I've already seen what's in here because I got this last week. I actually got it the day after I filmed, but I was feeling so bad that I was just like, I'm not filming. I think it was Wednesday that I got this, last Wednesday, but here we are, literally a week later. No, today's Thursday. Thursday. Jersey Shore comes back on. Woohoo! Yeah, I haven't filmed in a long time. I really was not feeling good, like, at all. Not sick though, like muscle spasms, really dizzy. I didn't even take my son to school one day because I woke up and I literally was like, I cannot drive. I can't even go to the bathroom. I almost fell in the shower when I was, you know, squatting down to pee. Like, I was not having a good week last week. I was having major flashbacks of 2018 and 2019. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into it now that you guys have heard so much stuff about things that you don't care about. Yeah, so here's my card. We're gonna tell you everything. I got variation number 2. So the very first product in here is from Pure. This is the 4-in-1 Skin Perfecting Powder. Now, I opened this and looked and I was like, oh my god, this is actually so pretty. Like, this is so pretty. This is the Fair Light and it comes with several really great products. We have a powder, a bronzer, a blush, and then a highlighter, which the highlighter I think is going to be a little too dark for me, but everything else is so pretty, and this mirror on this thing is actually pretty legit. Let me see, what does this look like? Yeah, that one might be a little too dark. I don't know. We'll see how this looks, if it gives me a dark cast. I don't even know if you can tell. I'm filming at 4K now, and this like zooming is not it. I can't figure it out. But all these other shades look so good. The bronzer looks like the most perfect bronzer shade for me. Let me just, yeah, I think I'm going to really like this. It's really beautiful. Like, I'm really into this. Okay, next up we have a single eyeshadow from Dose of Colors. I haven't actually seen this one. This is Caffeine Queen. I don't know what color this is. I didn't open it up, but here is the packaging. Ooh, I hope that this is actually like good quality when I go back to edit it, because last time I filmed I thought it was good quality, but like, I don't know, I feel like everything is looking so good. Oh, this is a cool color. Wait a minute, let's just take a look. Please zoom, because this is a cool color. Very cute. Okay. Ooh, it looks kind of like I wiped my butt and accidentally got a little something. Okay, I lied. When you swatch it, it looks so stinking cute. Look, love that so freaking much for us, you guys. That is pretty. Oh my god, it looks so much different when you swatch it than when you just like, you know, swirl your finger around. That's actually really pretty. Okay, cool. Okay, next up from cosmetics, we have a set of brushes. So It's a cleansing brush and a mask brush, which I'm actually like into. I saw some like people complaining about this on the Facebooks, but you know what? The Facebooks is like where everyone complains. It's kind of annoying. So I actually hid all of my makeup subscription Facebook groups. I unfollowed them, but I'm still like connected to them because I don't want to see any more of that stuff on my feed because everyone is just complaining. Okay, here we have this brush. It looks like one of those like Clarisonic heads. Ooh, okay. And then we have this one here. It has like little pokey things or whatever. It's not gonna focus. This is to like clean your face, scrubby dub dub, and then do this. And then I don't know what this side was for. Hold on, I threw my thing. This side was for apply cleanser. Oh, this is a cleanser brush. Okay, so you put the cleanser on here and you swirl it around. I don't know how much. Well, maybe I can use this for moisturizer or something when I'm like doing that to my face and whatnot, and then this for the mask. Maybe that's what I'll use that for, because I use my PMD in the shower for my cleansers and stuff, and I wash my face in the shower. So this I can use for like my moisturizers in my other bathroom that I use before bed, and then, you know, masks. But I'm actually really excited about these brushes. Next up we have from Grown Alchemist. Now this is the Detox and Night Cream. I did put whatever I got last time on Poshmark. What is this one? So this one's a smaller little bottle, and yeah, that is what I got. So it's just a night cream. Then we have two more items left. We have the Real Her Lip Liner Duo. Now this brand, okay, I use the eyeliner always. Like that's always what's on my lower lash line. I love it so much. I have an eye pencil from them. I haven't used it yet, but I have a feeling I'm going to like it. And then I think I have something else from them. But this brand is like actually pretty freaking good. Here's the liner duo. Be yourself, be real her, I am confident. Okay, so let's just go ahead and swatch them. Oh, they're retractable. Oh, that's so good. Okay, let's give it a swatchy. Beautiful creamy shade. Definitely gonna get use out of this. I love lip liners. And then here's the other one. Creamy, beautiful red color. Here we go. Love that. Next up, and the last item, is actually my choice item, which is the Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Powder. Honestly, it was like the best choice out of all of them. I wasn't really into the other choices, so I was like, okay, I'll just take another powder. And then I thought this was so cute because it's like a lens, and I was thinking if I don't actually like use it, or if I don't like it, I would just use it for like decor because it's so cute. Like it literally looks like a lens. How do we open this? Oh, okay, so you just, oh, get fresh powder with every twist. So it's a twist. Oh, that's cute, like a lens. It does, okay, twist powder, twist for fresh powder. Oh, it's like a sifter. This actually looks kind of dark, even though it's light. But maybe this would be good to have as like a powder foundation. Okay, let's just see. Oh, no, you put it on and then it's totally like light. It looks really, really dark. So, and it feels really, really nice. Excited about that. Super, super cute. Did I say I got it in shade 01? Because I did. Love it. Hope this is a focused video because we don't know how to film in 4K yet. Also, if you guys are wondering why I am hiding the top of my head, I bleached my hair this morning and it doesn't look good, but that's okay because like, we have a journey we're going down right now for hair, and I'm just trying to like lighten it as much as possible so I can do something else with it. So stay tuned. But anyways, that is everything that I got in my premium. Very, very happy with it. I wish I had my Ipsy bag, which I don't have yet. I've only unboxed the PR one, and my bag shipped out literally like a week and a half ago, and I still don't have it, so I don't know where it is. So I'll unbox that when I unbox that. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. Let me know your thoughts and opinions down below. Did you get any of this? Are you excited about what you got? Let me know. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!